Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Namhlanje, I want us to practice izihlanganiso conjunctions. You know what? If you want to show off what your Zulu is on fire, you always throw in izihlanganiso here and there. Okay, let's practice. The first one is Noma, and in English it is all. Noma. Ufuna itiye noma ikhofi? It's a question. Ufuna itiye noma ikhofi? Okay, next one. Kodwa. Kodwa, which means but. Ngiyafuna ukuya kodwa ngiyagula, says someone who has been invited to an awesome event and then suddenly they are feeling sick. They're like, ngiyafuna ukuya kodwa ngiyagula. Shame. Next one. 40. 40 means and, or it can also mean also. 40. Ngiyafunda futhi ngiyabhala. Woo! Kusho one of those students. You know those serious ones. You know those ones. Yeah. They like ngiyafunda futhi ngiyabhala. Like multitasking. Next one. Ngoba. Ngoba. Because. Ngiyalala ngoba ngikhathele. Ngiyalala ngoba ngikhathele. Yeah. We all khathala at some point and we have to lala. Like, there is nothing we can do about it. Okay, the next one. Ukuze. Ukuze, so that. Ngiyafunda ukuze ngizophasa. Ngiyafunda ukuze ngizophasa, says my organized, serious student, saying ngiyafunda ukuze ngizophasa. Like, there is no miracle what here when it comes to working and your marks. You have to funda ukuze uzophasa. Okay, last one for today is and. And in Zulu, and can be na, no, or ne. I will make a video explaining when do we use na, when do we use no, when do we use ne. But ke, our sentence is ngicela amaswidi namakhekhe. Someone who is kind. They are asking politely. Ngicela amaswidi namakhekhe. Okay, those are izihlanganiso for today. I will see you next time. Ngiyabonga.